Hey everybody, it's Pam, and I have another project for you, and this one is super cute. Now, I have in my Etsy shop the little mini baskets with the inserts that go with it, and then I have the larger basket and the larger inserts to go with it, but this one is a little different. It's actually a mini picket fence with a mini basket that goes in the front with these super cute little inserts, all right? And there's like nine. I think there's nine different inserts that you can choose from. And these are really simple to paint. Now, I get a little detail on some of them, kind of paint them different colors, but you really and truly could just paint one color for, what, like the St. Patrick's Day do all green, the pumpkins do all orange, Valentine's do all red, whatever you wanted to do. So what I'm doing now is I took some burnt umber and a baby wipe, and I'm staining the signs. And these little signs will hang on the picket fence right beside or above, excuse me, the little mini basket, okay? But you can keep these as simple as you want, as detailed as you want. You can, make them fancy. You can keep them simple. That's the thing I like about this and why I chose to not paint these projects and to send to my customers an unpainted and unassembled project, because that way you can paint it and make it your own, which I think is more... it just means so much more. Like, I can paint it the way I want to paint mine, but you might want to paint yours a little differently, which is totally fine. You might be inspired by something to do it a little differently. Maybe you want to use different colors, and that's great. That's perfect. Or you can paint them to look like the way I painted them. Either way is totally fine. But this particular item will be in my Etsy shop. It's not in there right now, but it will be in the next couple of days. I'm going to get pictures and videos and all that good fun stuff, and I'll get these listed in my Etsy shop. But in the meantime, sorry guys, I got interrupted and now I don't remember what I was saying. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and continue to watch it to the end. I'll show you how to glue it together and how to assemble it and what it looks like with a couple of the signs and the inserts and all that. But like I said, this will be in my Etsy shop in the next couple of days. If you have any questions, let me know. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. I think it turned out really cute. I love the baskets. I love the inserts. I like the mini and the large. And so when I saw this picket fence with the little, we're going to call it the mini basket, I knew it was perfect. And if you do tier trays, or if you have a window in your kitchen with a windowsill, it would be super cute on there. If you're a teacher, you can put it on your desk, or if you have a desk at your job, you could put it there. So many different possibilities, because it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. I appreciate y'all being here and watching, and if you wouldn't mind sprinkling it out, that would be awesome too. And if you have any questions, you can place it in the comments below or send me a message. I hope y'all enjoy and have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see y'all real soon in the next video. But keep watching till the end, because there's more to come.